I'm going to teach you how to set up the lab. First of all, the thing is just open the browser and simple type here VMware Workstation, download, simple click here on first link and go down and download the Windows Workstation 17 Pro for Windows. Simple click here and download it. It's around 5 dual MB. Okay, simple. After downloading this one, simple just type here next. It will automatically install each and everything. Okay, see here I successfully installed this one. Okay, VMware Workstation Pro, and simple go back here and see you no need a pro version here. You can also use a free version. It's not a big deal here, right? And simple to download Linux. Simple just type here kali.org, www.kali.org. This is official website from where we can able to download the Kali Linux image. Okay, simple just type here download. Here you guys can able to see the virtual machines. Click here and simple just click on the VMware because we are using the virtual VMware here to boot this, like to use Linux, right? So simple just download the VMware here. Okay, just click here, it will automatically download it. Okay, it is around 2.7 GB. Okay, simple click here, it will download it here. You can able to see, let me download it. So I started to download. Here it is, it will take around 10 minutes.